Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are solving a fairly popular Olympiad math problem. So we have 3 to the power of y squared over 9 to the power of y is equal to 81. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to rewrite the base of it, 9, so that 9 itself has a base of 3. So we would have 3 to the power of y squared over 3 squared to the power of y is equal to 3 over 4. We also rewrote 81 with a base of 3. Now, using exponent properties, so if we had a to the power of m to the power of n, that is equal to a to the power of m times n. So in this case, our denominator would be 3 to the power of 2y. Everything else in the equation stayed the same. Now we can apply another exponent property, that if we had a to the power of m over a to the power of n, that would be equal to a to the power of m minus n. So since the bases of both our exponents are equal, we can move the denominator to the top. So we'd have 3 to the power of y squared minus 2y is equal to 3 to the power of 4. Now we can apply another exponent property, that when our bases are equal to each other, so a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, we can set m and n equal to each other. So in this case, we would have y squared minus 2y is equal to 4. So we're going to subtract 4 from the right side and move it over to the left. So we'd have y squared minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. And now we're going to use the quadratic formula to solve for 0. I have a video that goes in depth on the quadratic formula that I will link down below that you can check out if you need more help. But this is the quadratic formula. In our case, our a value would be equal to 1, our b value would be equal to negative 2, and our c value negative 4. So once we plug those in, we'd have y is equal to a negative times a negative 2 plus or minus square root of negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times a negative 4, and that is all over 2. If we simplify that down, we would have 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 16 over 2. And then solving inside that square root, we would have 2 plus or minus square root of 20 over 2. Now to simplify that square root, 20 can be rewritten as 4 times 5. And then we know that the square root of 4 is 2. So we would have 2 plus or minus 2 times square root of 5 over 2. Now with 2 being our denominator, that would cancel both those 2's out on the top, which would leave us with a y is equal to plus or minus square root of 5. And that would be our final answer. So if that video was a little quick for you, please just pause here, review, take notes. Otherwise, if you have any questions, please comment down below. As always, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.